Hey studio family, got a package in today. We're gonna see together what it is. I'm not gonna do much talking on this one because it took me a while to get it up the stairs into the room. So we're gonna open it up and see what it is. Hope it's something good. Let's get it. I apologize ahead of time if I turn my back to the camera, but I gotta get into it. Here we go. Let me turn the lights on in here so you don't lose. I know it's a mess in here, but I had to make room for the package. So I'll be pretty much cleaning up or straightening up all day so that I can organize stuff. But that's where it is. We always changing stuff around, making changes and all of that. So that's what it is. Probably should have used a razor, but I think all my razors are dull right now. Looks like a sweet water package. Sweet water package. Oh, and I guess they do give you candy when you order stuff. Alright, so how are we gonna get in here? Let's see. I guess we'll go right in here. This thing was absolutely, positively a pain getting it up the steps. Okay. Come along. Excuse my back to you. Now, this should come open. I have to cut into it from here. Give me a sec. Yeah, probably should have used a razor. This see if I got a razor in the toolbox, which is underneath the desk here, so we're gonna have to cut through. lock somehow. Oh, okay, it's going through. I think, anyway. Shoot. And I hope, and I don't know if you can see me, but if you can hear me, I hope that you guys are sending me links to things that you guys are getting so I can enjoy with you some of the fruits of your labor. So, I guess without further ado, we're in this puppy and we'll see what we got. Okay. So, ta-da! For all my studio family, this is a Toft ATB 32 channel console. So this desk is fully parametric EQ, full band with mic pre's, aux sends, your pans, your monitor levels and so forth, and your faders. It's not flying faders, but that's irrelevant because I'll use the Digio 3 to deal with the issues within Pro Tools. I just wanted all EQs and so forth, and I wanted the analog sound. You know, it was a choice between this, which was more expensive, and the C24 control surface, which is fine. I wanted that too, but there was really no room for both. So for me, having 32 bands of EQs across with 8 subgroups was the better look. So I'm gonna pull some of this out, and it's going to be in 2 videos, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the desk here behind me. So it's going to be in 2 videos, but I just wanted you to see at the same time I saw the Toft ATB 32 channel. This thing is beautiful. I'm tired because I had to actually go out to the parking lot and get this thing, but it came on a pallet, 170 pounds, so I'm happy. And see if we get some good things done with this. So stay in tuned for the next video. I'm having it on the desk and everything. It actually comes with a PCU, a rack-mounted power supply that's external to this. So I know you guys are happy for me, and keep the comments coming. If anything you want to know about this, how I'll hook it up or whatever, we'll do that. Peace.